and segment I drew from said the money no your friend ASEM NIE idea every Wednesday e wo DWASO NSEM dwumedie so na ye pe asem ba ko ehia wo ehia me na ya hwe de ho nkomo ye de wona wo ye involved naba ene won etumi e de ho nkomo Patrick Enim akwa aba net sen
ye ja ye ho adom me ho ye
wo ye work and pay driver
pacho me taxi driver
wo no wo de na nya work and pay wo ye taxi driver taxi ni ye wa wo de
pacho wa obi dia
wo ye ma obi wo ko ye sales man no in the wo de na nya work and pay ni bi say utua ka na wafa later
pacho David
na de na wo mpe work and pay
ni bi wo a emra na wo ho no edoso wo ye wie na no wan ma wani aye de o beti maje afiri won sem
ye beji ka na afiri won sem sa abra wo ye work and pay no
me hu bebre me namfofo bebre ayaje ka afiri won sem
in the forward ye say wo betwi obi ka wo be ye sales ama no de bia no yesen work and pay no
ade ba kwa won say eye pa unya nipa na otoka no bu a o sika ho abotre
yes
obu a otumu ba ko pa obeje ka na eden afiri won sem nti ejina onipa na woni ne ye business ne so
ede ye wan krankra bi o mo atokars the man ko for so o monye work and pay ma
wan krankra
ene ye wo the banks ne so eye no
yeah
okay ene mu bia no ano ohye
ni nyina ejina nipa no so obu a otumba ko obu a wo problem na akoka kire na onye ohwo se next week opa facilities
ni na bom ne fabra na wo de na wo twi obi ka no ono nso se one day wa anye sales e no onye ka ne mfi nsem
obu a manye ne na ochina
obe ya hye isisi a sales mo ye sen a day
isi no ka ye 13 12 ni ade na 50 Ghana
13 12 and no say ye registered 13 no na a year of registration so no affect sales
no say count
e wo kwan me so
we say west na kura 19 no e bi ye 80 Ghana 70 Ghana
just nipa na ya full taxes no share year of registration no o say car we dey fresh timetimu a ekoyi animonyam wom antimu a mo de ne dada na de mo sales wo fom in wo car na year ben 13 intimo no mo ye sales sen
50 Ghana a day
50 Ghana cedis a day mutiminya o hustle and san wanya na say enye den to get it
juma na nkasa no lucky obu a kan dada wetima akohie obi no
afa dropping the whole day no wo station a we juma na say roaming
no station me ye juma
station for any roaming for mo why mo na timinya o mo sales ntem
ka dada no wo de nam ehwehwe nipa omomfo ndika mo no ne de one number bia no bia pedropia ko bia obegina maka dada no je road coast station
I is the coast station o de ye roaming na e be ye de yama eden na ye wani
on the 8th of March
yeah
me a taxi driver ye lodu awudo me runabout eko Accra Mokola nti Friday nti ye station na enu me so ye DWASO na ya station no nti o ha na me hu se man be a friend efu minim no ye adwuma Ogi Road
okay
to be gina o Roman asore nim wa wodom rana ba so nim wa won so mabebue papa ye fufu bi ho nti no gina bus stop na me kobisa ne so ne car na se yana no so da bi ne car no nse ye
awodom rana ba ha ye
no so ne car no nse na okoba bi sometimes police officer be catch and say so driving no nyako a on park car no receive ko no wiansa na oyede wako timini didi nkomo kakra na mesamba be ya station no timitiwa within a short time na me hu say o ma crampo car no akọ crampo efo no car nti no oni o mo kasa na me sorry call na me catch ba ko so papa ekura minim no ma baby san say ne car so si de be wanyako mu ban so ne car na otimu ondumu jane ye nti bibi okura mu so bo okura na okọ ba bi na wa ye den o pedalation obi wo nti ye gina ye ka asem na no ba ko hye green top e no ball masum to ball masum na
ye hwan ne ball wasum green top no hwan mu city gas
o mo crampo cars no ba ko di kan ball masum
o run about one
o mo ye 6 nti oba ko ball masum na me bo ni bi nti o mo ba me so no me dwane for my life e ma bi tonton ade wo ho nti me gina na me hu so ba ko di payment block abo bomani
pavement block
abebo mani mamani ni peche at sport
agro na wudi anase eni bresem
asem no kware na me ka kire ono
wanini
manini we kwa na kwalebu ma yem operation 2 times na me nya ne sei
eni bresem na ke si wa Ghana he ya
on the 8th of March e wa hodu me
enti mo share on Facebook live no nipa ni na enti pavement blocks yi square yi bi eno de ball we ni so
o de ball manini peche at sport na me say mani me na me de mensa
eso eni no eyeball na nkasa
ni nyina peche at sport
na wabada mana
nti me twahwe nti me sore ye no omu hu se mani na pai na kan won kran kasem ka kire ba ko se omu tuka no no mko ne mani na yeden ase nti eka tu wo ho ti phone tuka no koye na ka tu wo ho nti ebeye ntokwa no ade onto bi atene ka mu no oduo no hu se ne omaye mani na tu no no mo brom ne ade ti anche na police car ebedu wo to du ho no e no fa me call Kaneshie police station e no fa boy kokko ba ko om so mo bo no pa e kan ho call Kaneshie police station no ma me form say me call
hospital hey it machala de we so it when ni pa na say
we kwa no ma ye operation ansa na me nya ni se hu watala na me sha muja wo ma undidi ya untimendidi
inti we inti say ni ye se hoyi no
menini de asay me wo afiwiase doctor na jini na o ka kire me say
it dey show say artificial
na wa ye de amama
you don't mean it. It is here we no hu ade
we dey hu ade bi
ba ko we pe ne hu ade oh but this is serious no unim hwe camera ye wo hoyi mu baby o tena ye chale me ade we kwa to so but this is serious in the way the artificial eye na she hoyi
doctor no na
oh yeah bibi sa ade she o the artificial eye it looks way but hwe
bende o ka kire me se o kasime hu ande bi ma na bua jime wo afiwiase
oh come on inti guys na yes anomo
boys na yes ano omo yes 6 omo ho ba omo ya nchi won ya yom hwe me namfo for driver for no mbe fa me hu moja no mbe chi won de omo kotum mo Kaneshie
police for be chi won mo ena sa city guard for no ye jay
omo wo ho nti me wo kwalebu no na si adi ni be tro mani mo asem first time o buy na me condition is very bad ntokwe no buy no baby na me kire asin mu kire nti me fi kwalebu na me call no ko ka kire nsi ma ba fie nti o mo anu wa frame ne driver for na ni city guard for no ya koshia e wo ho san nti ebu aye call Kaneshie police commander enim na o mo ka asem ni say ya nti e wo mo no frame say o de asem no ko court wo abeka district court nti me hia no ho anopa 8 o'clock nso na me nya lawyer bia nti me ne me na mfofo no ye ko hu lawyer bi na ka
kafra oh chale bagana mo so pa ko fodi kwa asem how can you possibly do this
bueno no the born bomb de yanyan should have been on mo
unim boy no hu na obe hu no
e do sisi nyina agina obi a kire se boy no de born bomb no ni man no mo crampon ne car no so omo bisa me se me wa dance de bia me nkofa man no so makofa na ba boy na ye ka so de born bomb no ono ana de born bomb yen no hwe de bia onam krum san chichikas timi wo fia na boni aba me timi lawyer na wakasa kire me se sana asem no wode kokoti me yen sa anka awodo me honom no ka mbetu afiri oji kaga na ye de mitum for life so di me dem me nya kromfo me nya ahwiu na timi de bobo mani mamani manyi nyina peche at sport na
oh but this is bad come on what the fear science is here 35 years it is for the rest of your life on earth untimi fa wani nya I mean what kind of thing is this and on into your court no Marco court how many times 2 times our court sa boy no ba court
oba de bia omo ba 2 times aya court nyina si adi ne frɛ omo ba na me so mini obi anti lawyer no na me kɔbɔ na mane wosu lawyer dankwa nti
na waje atum so obey case na ma
ya omo frɛ okɔ nti we kura me wo makwakura na chairman danso ene ya be ma frɛ me sɛ Muhia me wa Adom FM timimra. Ntinura na mfie village na mba kan because me ntime ntran kan bi. Won kwala omkosu. Timakotena village tom frame anama.
Na waba nti ye kan dey saying in o taxi no we he de na wutwe no ni wuraje.
Iwuranye ye taxi ne ofie.
Esifie. But say when ni nti wuntime drive it. Oh no, Charlie. Ah. And is your work crossing no taxi needs if you are cra
0244.
No, or nyabotre o we are or budget why and the taxi needs if you are cra
o fie sisi a
e wa cra and our village
me de ma obi but o ha me sa mesanya we ya ka ho ntima park car ne so
na ni car owner na
car ni wura no o ho me ko bona ma ne no se me condition no ka se oji car na fi me nsem a ebe ha no timimpo bi se ne amenya bibi kaka na me da ataduane e din so mentimi nye bibi anti ekra na makota.
Oh no, but this is bad. I mean, this is bad. And now what's this city guard was whining in am chroma ada so clamp cars.
Oh, sisi akra betime ho o san cars. We are no man can say nkwase abaye to yom betro me nkranfo boy I know them. They be amitimi faka na me do mo chamanfo na kasa tremio. Nkaka nation wo ko he okwan omde taxi driver ne private obu okwan na ne ba peso ogun so we gina mo do anoma campam. It be 400 500 ko amanfo bodua e wo ho. Boni ben na ya.
Ba me dey say why you boni mpo a pavement blocks near the show when so. Am ni pa ni asay. Ghana ha. Hey, bachala man for din kwase asem pa. Oh God. Owura pesese akwaba.
Yeja.
Me ba cho kasagu mic nim na etesen.
Me pa cho nyankopo Adom.
O na wo ye work and pay no.
Sa pepepe.
O de no obi na talk car ne ma.
Media no mum the first na obi ka na meje.
Okay.
Na wan sheda anka say ye work and pay. But then ye koso do. Na me ni be hye. But ono so no anche e na oji ni car. Nti ono de meja ni life man no. But me crofo sa ka chere me say o. Ade na me nkope sa investment companies ni bi. Omo talk amount no what your percentage bi. Na e chiri say utu ya kani wia no mu di kana ma na me ko endi mi hu ko shemu di masa me di mi hu ko shemu kai beba afede mi ko office ho a o mi hu obi abiu
o ga sa odo hu ko sheze odo hu ko shemu utu ya percentage
masa me tua ye
down payment
me se me ko G loan
eno ye sen utu ya sen
yes kadi ye 220 million
old cities into down payment sen
into 22 million
22 million 10%.
2,200.
2,200. What you are down payment?
Me to yes are down payment.
Nanka or the car nema wa. Now every month what you are saying?
Now every month no metia every month no ono ye daily sales no that night was 35 cities. 35
cities every day.
Now they call every day. Now they call.
Okay. So for how many years?
Yeah, no, for 2.5 years.
So every day 35 cities for 2.5 years.
For 2.5
then we
years.
wait at Tekano.
You calculate you better calculate near spread the amount.
Spread the amount.
Okay. It's open 2.5 years.
Okay.
Fine. It's open 3 years. Fine. Okay. Maybe this is the case. Say, what feel say, a jumana me no, a careful front no, unya juma. Inti so pesa utiano, ebi a double mpoa, eno dia wa case. But the one say uko tia, ye be book amount. Fine. Miko tia saka ni wiye miko G loan asema miko G loan was stand chart miko G loan ko tia ka wiye
2,200
na miko ami ahin kura mi nya 2,000 wo yin fa miko G loan e na miko tia e afide miko ami hu say ase say ba office wa office ye busy no ase
why din
aya din
when yi ebe asem ne ye kan
ne mi kan 2013 2014
okay
sir
okay
enti mi ko tu akadu wie ya mi ko office ni yes na mi ko hu guy omu manager ba ko I don't know say to me body ya
na o de me modin answer
you mi ko hu guy na mi ka chen say actually dey na ko so Wasi o tubu na de na be yi na ye sorti problems bi ye sorti wi a. And Satan no so me hu omukas baku okrum. Inti na me wa rehwem say by all means no menya bibia ye. Masa me kan nyina no na me ni obi e na ye adwuma me mayama sese ka nimpo me ni bi me kodi trotro mate na me di nso no e na driver no odoje me because of feel say I me ye adwuma no once
I don't know about the car finishem
and na moreover nso no me man is ka say enso na ni sa enti se me ni be kwa koye adwuma po so be ye adwuma ni obeka chem say we ne onye adwuma before I realize oni obi ye adwuma
into 2200 no akam ewo
masa akam company no omu ni system no mu biom obi se me mfa kan kokuma se mekwa ko to company no omu head okuma se
na unim obi a ono akwaye down payment and nsa ka ne car e was our company ho
men shada enhu obi a watue wie aka na ye ne diada
but omo ma ebi mo cars
a obi no mu cars a obehu omo brand no or cars no so omo din e wo ka no so
me ba me ya to asa nkomo yi so ma me ne lawyer Yawdankwa eni nkomo ono ne yenua Patrick Enim lawyer lawyer Dankwa ye mo akwa abadwaso nsem so ne wa Adom FM
I'm so atifo nyina so
atifo je so se bibia bokọ de
na me Adom bibia kama
unim Patrick Enim
yes me yek ne case yama
wabe kind of story not change here but it's unbelievable me tie de o se eto no na madwen ho a me pesa me tie ase me ntimi ntie ase saa ne story a wonso unim saa ne sie.
That is exact story. I mean, any company in America say, may yes, I may case no action. May yes, I case no action because it's in some way across the world. Or my guy name was say, you know, you who ain't sure see. You should be from a dear. And a friend say, I'm not being you Ghana and say, now, you probably bring a bit of them. Now, oh, yes, I didn't know from waiting.
Now from yenim say we the lawyer client relationship it bia waka nsem bia trel in confidence and all of that but wa maye hu say the esi ye no na onifo bia so no nam ne baabi kwa ne baabi o ena ye bu obi o sare no no ye sisi obi o kwa akwaji ni pakro ena ye tane ba ne so sa na waka kire won so
sa be person waka kire me na sa ne di ye no enyo won nkwa na sa so-called city council, the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, one more tax forces now, one more deploy at various places, so on. That is, many my case is there, 4, 5 involving tax forces and taxi drivers and national commercial drivers. And I think me feel say. I'm the right, I have the capacity to discuss one more issues. There's a lot of things. The policy, my friend, me, na se bi omo push me some kakana me person me church it for me person chuma de kaka. And then say, sa tax force me nimon sem ko a me for no aka che wo mo tam emra ehye wo mo nsem. Woman ni emraso, woman mu obia. Ena say woman nya asema, no mo de akwahye say oh, omo de omo yejuma ma AMU. Ubeko AMU so me so omo de omo small obia na tax force no ejuma fufuru bi no mo de ahye omo sem say womo nye na nya sha. And sa de ekoso no AMU for protocol say mo maka say they are trying to avoid liability. Ena tax force are trying to pass the blame on to AMU. And to woni kama for na say woni sika say bi ba ko pe lawyer wono be di wasma mo a ne che say wodi sa a should dem from na che say some na no mo yeden o mo di wo sa Patrick Enim case in particular no me ba cho obi a sebio obi ni obi mu tax force we mo kwakwachi obi nipa no kwapo no so wa park e na wo tie phone call because what drive na so tie phone call a ye be che no and wa park it baby a safe we tin phone call we see wa park wa sent no my match no So I say, and money you give no by catch so munya bote no ne say ono ne hwan entia o ba catch so munya bote just mo to action so na money no e kontokwa na wo tax force ni a ye di Ghana taxpayer sika etia woka na wata mebo na wo di ahwe nani so apai nani na police ni so a wo bai mo ba sin na e wo se mo maintain peace na ade no na wachi wo mu e di mo ko police station ni pa na ya se ni na moja enyunu no wo di mo ko police station e se ji so matua 200 Ghana cedis asa na mo bail ama ampa magiji wo mu 200 ansa na mo ma wo mo ere bail na wo di mo ba court see wo mo no air course public nuisance as saying there's a public nuisance AMF na wo mo so ka ho bi na wo mo di sa ankwasa sem no wo mo court wo na wo mo di wo ma ho bi CID ni di wo no nipa na ya pai ni no a sebio le dachi si no ho ba sem no wo no mo bud na be gina court esi wo no mo wa ye boni ambobo na kwadu AMF tax force for no so wa here ya hu obi a wo court ho judge ni kwampoti asem na ye ne bufu waka chom so mo ko fan ko furu nyan ne emra wo mutimi afo mama be sin ne wo mutimi afo mama be sin ne na we ne ekoso ye man Ghana mu a ye mpeni fo to ha se bi o mo bu mo ne gu na waso a ye twa nkofo ka wo so mo hwe task force for isu na so mo nyi wo matwuma na nipa etu wona nani baako asai eni a wo hia e dia ye adwuma hwe ne ye ne ma asai obi aso ma meka compensation asem bi anche no complain o ma ya koka so bi anfie ma tro AM4 esi o mo mame nipa ko a oye in charge of the tax force o mo mame wo mo nipa oye in charge besi ne obi acknowledge o mo acknowledge letter no na se bi o waka say o mo my information a here no that's when you ade ayen betna say because asem we dey I will say your kokosi wiye na patukenim unya justice say na mraga na eka no was ye my penikuwa boka see we should not be bystanders maybe should be involved and yes from kaka ye e dey aboa wo mo NDP no and I mean to say no place more kind about work and pay asem and also SARS no mudi and some full sana car owners no di drivers no because drivers they don't have one voice na me tumu ni entia MTU, so me see MTU.
GPRTU, yes.
GPRTU. One more two. You have to be in some phone with drivers. No, no. One more just car can see to V8. I can see the demo. The minute I come in, say GPRTU no see a chum because a waste of time and waste of money. They don't do anything. They are not accountable to anybody. And if there's a chairman on a GPRTU, I want to sit with them one-on-one on your program. Then go through where they are going, where they are failing the people. And what they need to do to make sure they get their credibility back. So what I say, Obi Atoka, recent case back in Yedin what the car mano for 2.5 years, 30,000. We should tier 200 every week. We tier 200 without sale. One guy so they sell contract will say engine say na so nyesika NCCA. Ube there, would you sika BCC now they are or they are channel.
We need this lawyer back to continue yenkomo lawyer Yaudankwa Edi on your counsel Emma Patrick Enim, and I agree with him on a lot of the issues that were raised, and some of our viewers on Facebook we say Raul Francesca or say I personally witnessed this similar case. The Kaneshi Market last 23rd June 2019. Very bad act from those city guards. Matilda Kisi said this is very bad and these boys think Ghana is for them. And I think police and AMA are part of this problem in Accra. God is watching police officers and AMA workers. And some very interesting comments coming through on Facebook Live. And is the lawyer back? Yenya lawyer Dana. Okay, we'll try and get him back. Nafi, no area. But we say Gideon Donko say, Obi, please help this guy, Patrick. We'll do our best, my brother. Kojo Diche So this is Ghana we are living in. How can such a person pay for his children's fees at the tertiary level? And messages said there's lots and lots of your messages coming through. But lawyer, where do I want to call? Yes, to us,
you know, just say GPR2, Pro-Tour, Co-op. These are organizations, it is some demo members, I was some to me, Jiraho, a microphone who say, woman to me, the emphasis in Nimun for Obianka Oshi. So that's the Biaji Mujito, Etienne microphone, Etito, no Mutiatas way, Yabo de Tasway Diniaji, Yabo Wediniaji, then so do time of Musiasi, Ubek Jiraho more Sampa. One more association at Mutia.
Now, Obia, oh, now we can story be about Obia and also 200 Ghana cedis every month.
Yes, I got two payments. You see, also Channel Monday, no good Channel Wednesday to Adicano, Pafacano. That's why Bema or Mamma Sobafacano. Make us see the Bema, then woman ran the Juma. Eh? They call court to Jicana, MI. So no, but me any about home. It's a many about when I said you, if I don't any addition, no way, a do. The moment I say, one associations, you know, MP lawyers, Sabio Scout, one more Jew, woman, a 2 more Jew, woman, you be the chair, lawyers a cat. If you may employ lawyers a crampona, that's a members, you know, you decide some way do or more. What made you know because can't honestly who say, I don't know for any Camaphobiano. It was Jusica, I do a biana, why there now, Wafa. And then she said, minimum Cassi, a year 2 o'clock, we call regional police headquarters. So for our no swajika toka, Ama or Babisia, said you and Chuma. Mamma chow 400, with the money 2 years. Cow demand 50,000. We tell 400 every week. We tell 1 year, 4 months. After a few months, Nama, we tell when you know. What the car say? One for car, one ton car, man, on them who the car rent. That been also for better than we say rental company. So I say, and no, say no, so yeah, come ASEM, ever court.
Okay.
And let's say, GPR2 new Pro-Tour, co-op for nothing. One more sorry, yeah, who say, I'm part, one more year, Jumama, one more members, no. Plaza, sir. Friends who die for Auto Plaza for you. The another case by Aqua. Move the cash, I come up finance company. Finance company see the amount of 4 pay work and pay. Finance company for the Jamoka. Mama have a Jimoka see. Would more for Kana money partner we see. Finance company I'm the man. Oh man, Muslim see. Cash I'm the massa finance company no. Almost the car come out work and pay. Now Obia 1 year Jumasano. Okay,
lawyer, let me start this final question now. Yeah, better one say I think to do this pro bono for Patrick, no, a huge, and we sincerely wish Yankopon Ebeshrao, and I know say you would go the full length to seek justice for Yenuya or enemy. Nami Busa say the guards involved, AMA guards, and now say because they say the municipalities Bebre have been created within Accra. And are they AMA guards from what you know officially?
Well, what we know is that they are the task force which is based at Kaneshi.
At Kaneshi?
That's based at Kaneshi.
Okay.
So whoever municipality Kaneshi falls under, no? The authority is the one that we are dealing with. Yes.
Because I want to get the exact municipality, you know. In the end of the year, hit here, we know where to hit. Now, MC Chrono would have to call his boys to order. Because this just doesn't make sense. And Yadia was and if the assembly is eventual, because vicarious liability will come in. The assembly would have to would follow up.
And what we are saying to them is that they should train them. They should train their boys that they are dealing with human lives. So as a customer service is very important.
Absolutely.
That is all I want to say.
Absolutely. Lawyer, that's the best answer for you. Why? Lawyer, ya dankwa ena motene nkase odi pavement blocks ebe shoe bi eni so apai nani Ghana enne Ghana ye wo mu Tigo, you have calls, no? Okay, and we'll pick some few calls. But I think all story and so similar to the lawyer almost very similar. And it will company who much you.
Masa company me who much you. But I say me a younger me person me ye juma. Me sanko pesika sanko run another company mubium. Masa enumpo de me kan enumpo de em say mpapa we April winti May June ena mi ko ka kire mu say we die misiro mu mi papa ka baby inti misika ne de se baby adui de
eno so ko ma mo say
enu kra mi ko ma mo 4,000
ena no so ya unya car no
masa me tina em say me ni car no e car na ni mi sem me ko so kire wan sa no mo de misika ma me
o de scanner ma
sika no mpo de sika no mo de ma me no o mo say me misika beda o mo ha de gise o mo te interest free mu enya mi mum na o mo ma me interest o
Charlie
asema ye young guys are ye share organ pa de we need so nye diana so ni ye share masa untumi o
mate
untumi
ma memfa callers kakra na afa yemfa NC too bad we ntumi anyina so more than a friend good morning
Morning Obi
me ba cho hwan ni
me di Joe me professor ma
Joe de da ho ni o
Obi nyame sha we de say Solomon ajinkese ni bi pa na nyame dia ma no nyame sha sa akra ye me fo no omudi ye mi one day me di nkofo mu fitama ha na ye call North Connection na ye call no baby ye call no no omunim ho eti ba ko no no nim ho no wo medina nti so ba be share wotete kwashi nti edu spanner no na gina no na ye frɛ no so wo nti no nkofo no so no omunim nti omudi phone ni mam na ma park was as na bus stop na me receive call no bi sane pan so gina he no so ogina top on mu ton eti mi kan so nipa ne gina o me yimi tika na be hwe na nine coffee bag ni kan wa be ka fu mi kan so match me na me so mi no bi na ye twen bi say o mu si da bi agi 70 Ghana na ma me so adi no be 70 Ghana me sa me nya 30 Ghana no mu die na ba ko so pon ni ko top on mu ata ko fa papa ni ba ha no mu na mo se ni question na me ka ba se o mu di 30 Ghana eti me sa ASEM for ni ye ni die masa say aba nhye na
mate me da se ma memfa ni pa for good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ni menya no yi.
Yeah, but your friend Mohammed. Yeah,
Lashi bi me ntio.
Yeah, but the mo kanu in fact the youth no your okumu yeah who yeah because police for me and last 2 weeks police ni bi ko ye me the same who anyawase the same thing omo barrier ho me do ho no na omo ni checkpoint ho na me twem koye and me twem koye no mu say ka matife abala no ma ye no ade no e mo ania ba me ka na funti ba bi o ka na say na hangi omo trunk na contractor ni ye kwan no mo bi issue ni no bi ade no amu okuru mo fanya ade na say na ma sama mo ade na pai dada ba police ni se me na ma pai de bi ade se mi ko tade ahumati one top ko no ko pa ke ka some began me command yanko na misa me kipa Accra 4 o'clock na minya ka pa Accra manda mi gina junction mu ha na mi ba stade stade no ko ye police no lock in stade no ko to ba ye no enye mi o lock in
Kafra good morning me ba cho hwan ni
mi dia de Samuel na ko tie je le mo me dia dodo na de frame of into kanisi
my NTA we
ana say na mentia ona bo kwaju opon kroma ofanse ile
ye nimre wa me pa cho na ye mfa ni pa for good morning
yeah mafa morning before there
nya me Adom me ho ye pa
yo abemu na wo ho no na so na ye ne ya pa say after 35 years na ni asay wo yire wo mba awakotene kuraso eti kwanya bo ne fast na wodi na bro anaso wodi na wu ama ne life end no ono so end bo ne life pepepe
David nyabotre meet you yes
me nkonko twitu nkokun anaban yakɔkye me mfa sika me twaw anaban yakɔkye me atum na so fara so wo busia wo kroma wakɔ no krom die masa kwadu abafa so on so that delete no bia one delete about life no so life say simple and le bon mamu mi aso so and nya hwe because I said the life wo obi no ha be hwe mama no obi no ha be hwe no ahwe ode na yire ne mama no na ye mi nua no ye ne sa no a masa kameja for the kametonia bobo ni dia life ekune free ase no hwede wo pi ho bye bye
mama na say na na abotre ene ye besre because me hu pictures no say me put the idea say utimi fa pavement block say wo hwe wo nua nipa e de abon ani so eno nko na chese wo no you don't have to be part of society way by now and who say on minus ye social welfare systems ninja because this guy needs psychological handling be by now ya man psychological because he's boiling on or why na because obia after the incident he patrolled around the area say onya guys na aye won bibi inti ohia psychological attention but Sally social welfare systems are very poor and you see the power perpetrating on you walking about freely still doing Nioma Dr. Otrian Krabeka Yensai or a church of opinion or Central University. Doc, Aquabanet saying,
Obi, I'm your domaya.
Dear Waber to new.
I reckon. We come on, now, Miss Fahachiamo. Now, any patumodi. Say, baby, Anka say, Ebia Anka say, your system be a bit to me, Anka. You didn't have to pay rules, so can't get money, baby. Na abone ka wa anibere so se ndabia na nitu ya se asomasi na se mani na wo wani mienu ho obetumi ase won so wani ba na ye ne enamu enye ni nyina gina akoma aka ho asempe sometimes we have to let our heads control our hearts say ye my akoma no mum e control ya dwen a Proverbs ka say obedi nkwase asem na we why pa no betumi abegina wachi defend o say ade a oye ne ye so oye den wanfa ka monipa say traffic offense okra ne punishment himfa okra ne man training ye bisa asem no enipa na ye de omogu kwan ho say city gas ne wan no how are they trained dina car e wa kwan ne finfini ti wudi na chi no wan hwe ya de akopem no yamhwe ho so bi kwan ben party fo say MC bi nkwada wo say wan you ha na de omakogu o city gas
because emotional intelligence ne ho to be a pavement block
intelligence na only be o say the emotional san ka ho say nipa we wonim nyansa anko omo ye kwa akire kra ye wonsa a wo de bo bia na say ukofa blog dia na wo pese odi na wu wodi ne dem for the rest of his life nipa ne da so nam ho onim say baby a teacher ni anka yes or interdiction we no that so ye na juma say hwinsi
it me person me hu
we na ya tell radio
they are attached to
obi unim say we na ya tell radio
the yenti
ye na doso emma ye buom wo Accra Central enye nne na chance yo in the 90s yes bibi abaye ebo ebe bo no na ni nyina achi no hwe enkosi na ne say obi papa wo ye na ya ye no na china se anope obi bu be wa anya me na mbesa tim bio wanya ne off no aye ni se ba ko sia ni pa foforo that very moment one here you lose your life enye
it's terrible if the assembly in question MC and they are aware of this and that city guard guy no nam eda so ye na juma then Charlie this country we've got a long way to go a really long way to go and Yemubinu would ensure say if for nothing at all, for starters, the guy should be interdicted. And not there. Because he shouldn't be on the road
by now,
doing a human
pending
investigations, any case. You know. He shouldn't be on the road. It's not proper because Obia Utimifa pavement block the shoe be any so. And you are supposed to go and maintain law and order. Jesus Christ. It's not proper. It's not proper. In Patrick, you best hear in Koma Yako. Nyame Adom wanya lawyer ne nso areata so obeboa no would also give the necessary support. Now we see to the logical conclusion of case way.
Why mefa afidie case so ada mpanyinfo wa ha ne mom ye adwuma nyina some man opportunity me ba na meda chairman danso
okay
ene ya bema ene madam Lydia Sarah Malasa
okay
ene Mr. Kofi Sapon ono ma eska no mo ye
wani no
ene madam Lydia nso otie no
MP aya waso West Ogun okay
otie na osenim ska so mo fam wa mti madam dana se ba me hu no
da
ba ya bema na chance dan zo na behwehwe mo wo fie nti ase da bia nkoma nyame nhira wo kuma driver for pa
chale Yeah, but sorry, but this story is not ended yet. Yeah, but so. But me person me busa wa wutie and say, where do you see your life in 1 or 2 years? Where do you see your family? Surely, minim so wo high hopes pa edema we busuya. But unim so obi ni mochna. And nothing was the be our plan edema or dachi. So the be say bibi toa. Yansu yetimi ababa beboa. Entine ye can for Star Life Assurance at the amount. It's the first and truly trusted life insurance company in Ghana. And no more policies be design at the amount. So the be say bibi to and there odachi will be secured. Be part of free one sisia. Now sunya life insurance policy be and 0302 739 600 0302 739 600 Star Life or say your solid partner for life. Freddy's Corner also say mobile phones are papa, laptops are papa in your tono, gold curved LED TVs, computer hard drives, printers and kiddie tablet, mobile phone accessories, okohwa ubenya bi etome ato. It is a mobile phone nyaba utrimope. Idia was a bout trimibio a Freddy's Corner. Your branches be brave. Your head office ewo City Light, City Light okoko melemele, your secured car park ewo ho, your office nibin so ewo Odor Rise in Chainhua, Spinters Road near Bogas Furniture, between the casino and a Community 1 police station and a cycle and so your Holy Gardens police station where Kumasi Prempeh 2nd Avenue and a Hapa Road in so away doom your branch ewo Freddy's Corner was 0544 959 195 na only one into me in the enkomo DWASO NSEM Sony ewa Adom 106.3 FM. Medin your sabon so no ebesiha, and let me thank the production team for making this one possible. Nyame adoma ochna yebesa so Asia. Enjoy the rest of the day.